Yo, what's up? I'm calling you.
Yo, what's up guys? Gagawin natin isang isda. I-step natin. May ingredients yan. Ayan, just step natin yung isda natin. Ayan, ingredients natin yun is liver, water. Tapos, asin. Para malasa siya. Guys, stick. Yan talaga yung gawin. Takpan. Ayan, simple na ingredient guys. Ayan. Make it up easy, then and enough oil. Bye-bye. Lagyan natin yung garlic. Isa natin yung garlic. Garlic and garlic. Yan, lagyan natin yung spring onion. Ayan, lagi salt. Ganyan. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, sige. Ayan, lagyan natin yung sambar. Tapos,